Are you having trouble uploading SVG image file types to your WordPress media library? By default, WordPress doesn't allow uploading SVG images due to security concerns, as SVG images can contain malicious code like JavaScript. But don't worry, there's a simple solution. In this step-by-step tutorial, you'll learn how to safely upload SVG images in WordPress using a plugin. Navigate to Plugins. Add New. Search for Upload Any MIME Types. Navigate to Upload Any MIME Type plugin. Install and activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, you will be redirected to the Upload Any MIME Type settings page. You can now enable SVG image type simply by toggling the switch on. You can also use the search bar to find SVG, and then press the toggle button to turn it on. Go back to the WordPress media library and upload the SVG image file type. Your SVG image file will now be successfully uploaded without prompting any error messages.